Hi, my name's Gareth Spence, and I'm currently at the TIP Summit 2018. One of the hottest stories at this year's show is the development of the Disaggregated Cell Site Gateway Group. This is a group that has the potential to disrupt the whole 5G space. To help me understand more about this group and the activities, I'm joined by ADVA's Niall Robinson. Niall, what has ADVA and the DCSG group announced this week?
Yes, we've announced actually our partnership with EdgeCore and our focus on delivering a disaggregated cell site gateway solution to the market in 2019.
What are the essential building blocks of this solution?
So for any disaggregated solution, right, we're talking about separating the hardware from the software, and also external to all of that, also the services piece. And it's key, I think, for especially the cell site gateway space where the volumes are very high. It leads itself very much to a disaggregated solution where we can drive a common platform across multiple operators from a hardware perspective, and then add on top of that a disaggregated solution set from a software and a service perspective, really to bring it all together then for an operator who still wants, at the end of the day, a solution coming from one supplier, but that solution really, achieving best in class by being derivatives of different sources underneath.
I think you've hinted at it there, but why is openness and disaggregation such hot topics right now?
Yes, I think the biggest item there that people are driving against is vendor lock-in is one, right? So especially in the cell site gateway space, it's dominated by a few vendors globally. And so again, it's another market to go attack with a disaggregated solution. And then driving best in class and speed to market for a solution, right? Which is really what disaggregation offers.
Okay, and ultimately, what does this mean for mobile network operators? If they are able to disaggregate the whole cell site gateway, what does it give them?
It gives them access to latest and greatest technologies, right? From providers like an EdgeCore, who are very adept at building, these open platforms with the latest hardware, but built with, hardware to scale from a manufacturing point of view to drive out cost, right? So it's all about driving out cost for them. And then on top of that, you're adding in, as I said, the latest and greatest, best-in-class software, best-in-class service set. It really just allows them to, we get past that vendor lock-in and really access the best technologies in the marketplace.
And what has the response been from the operators? Can you name any names?
Yes, I mean, for the TIP DCSG group, right? They have an impressive list of operators that have signed up to the specification. It was led by Vodafone, but then they brought on British Telecom, Orange, Telecom Italia Mobile in Brazil, as well as Telefonica. So, top tier operators globally, right, that are looking to deploy this type of technology.
And looking ahead, what are the next steps for ADVA's cell site gateway solution?
So we have a lot of work to do, right, to deliver the solution. We have a target for launching the solution second half of next year, which is necessary, if we want to catch the large portions of the 5G networking rollout. Next steps for us, we've got to bring the hardware and software together, right? Do a full integration test, right? Which again is different to, what they do inside the data center, for example. Really we want to bring a fully tested solution to market, right? That's important for the operators. They don't want to be the system integrator. They're relying on an ADVA to be the system integrator here of a disaggregated solution. So that's really what we're working towards. That's
great, Niall. Thanks for the information. If you'd like to know more about ADVA's cell site gateway solution, please visit www.advaoptical.com.